GTA 6's new trailer just dropped a mind-blowing hint. It's linked to Red Dead Redemption 2. Same universe? Stick with GadInsider to find out. What's good, gaming fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Rockstar's second GTA 6 trailer, released on May 6, 2025, has fans freaking out over a sneaky clue tying it to Red Dead Redemption 2's universe. Let's unpack the Easter egg, the shared universe theory, and what it means for GTA 6's May 2026 launch. GTA 6's Trailer 2. An NPC tosses $10 bills in a club, and eagle-eyed Reddit user CPH2001 spotted something wild. The builds feature Thaddeus Waxman and Franklin Hardin, fictional presidents from Red Dead Redemption 2's cigarette cards. This isn't just a nod, it's a major clue suggesting that GTA 6 and RDR2 share a universe. Another hint? The trailer shows weapons branded by Duke, a manufacturer from RDR2. These details, reported by The Gamer, have fans debating if Rockstar's biggest franchises are finally colliding. Why is this blowing up? Fans on X say these aren't random Easter eggs. Multiple connections, like the same gun brand and precedents, point to deliberate shared universe. But skeptics argue that it's just Rockstar style, like the Red Dead book by Jay Marston in GTA 5. A fictional nod, not a canon link. Forbes notes GTA uses fictional places like Liberty City, while RDR2 mentions real cities like New York, making a true shared universe tricky. Still, with GTA 6 set in 2026 Leonida, these clues fuel wild theories, like Jason being Arthur Morgan's descendant. What's next? GTA 6 drops on May 26, 2026, so we've got a year to hunt more clues. Rockstar's dropping 70 new screenshots and might tease more at Summer Game Fest in June. Expect tons of Easter eggs, maybe bully or manhunt nods too, since Rockstar loves linking its world symbolically. Follow GadInsider for trailer breakdowns and updates. Whether it's a shared universe or just clever winks, GTA 6's lore is gonna be epic. That's the tea on GTA 6's RDR2 connection, GadInsider fam. Do you buy the shared universe theory or think it's just Easter eggs? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to keep the hype alive.